Does direct mail still work in 2025 for home service businesses? Let's dive in. The reason people are even asking this question still is because there's so much new technology out there, right? There's Google ads, which have been around for a long time, but Facebook ads and TikTok ads and internet marketing in general. And so people are asking themselves, does direct mail still work in 2025? And I'm going to explain to you exactly why it doesn't only work, but it actually works better now than it ever has. So here's what you have to understand. Anytime there's a new platform that opens up for marketing, people run and flood to it. But they don't just add more money to their marketing budget. They take that money away from other things so they can put it in other places. And that's exactly what's happened with direct mail. People have moved their direct mail marketing dollars to other places. Therefore, the mailboxes have less junk mail in them nowadays. And that's good for one single reason. Because now you have less competition in the mailbox. So when your potential customer goes and they pull the mail out of their mailbox and you have a nice 6.5 by 9 shiny every door direct mail postcard that's thick, high gloss, nicely designed, it's gonna stick out, it's gonna pop, and more people are going to read it. Now, I'm not gonna lie, my company does print marketing for home service businesses all over the country. And over the last few years, I've been a little worried. Will direct mail be affected by all this new marketing technology that's out there on the internet? And honestly, the exact opposite has happened. So if you're new to direct mail, before you go out and spend thousands of dollars on it, I encourage you to get some test size samples like 2,500 or 5,000 postcards or door hangers. Put the same offer you want to put on your direct mail and go get them out there on people's homes. This is something that's extremely affordable. It just takes a little bit of your time, but it's a great way to test to see if the offer that you're gonna use on your direct mail will work or not. And as always, if you need help with your print marketing in your home service business, I would love to help you. You can go to serviceindustrycoach.com and the link is always below in the description. Thanks for watching.